Hey guys, what up? We're back with another video. Today we're at ASU Need Hall and we're going to be trying out this LK water fountain. Alright, the flow looks pretty good, you know, solid stream, solid arc, and nothing to complain about here. Alright, I'm going to test it out now for the first time. Let's do this. It's not great. I mean, taste, definitely minus some points there. Temperature in the middle, you know, but definitely gonna get some negatives on that taste. Alright, overall, the look, I'm gonna give it a 4 because it's janked up front. Flow is actually super nice. I'm gonna give it an 8. And then on the taste and temperature, taste, not great, but it's not that bad for Arizona, so I'm gonna give it a 5. And then on temperature, it's actually pretty nice. I'm gonna give it a 7.